Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're gonna make Jamaican fruit cake or rum cake. Please stick around and watch this video. In a large bowl I'm gonna add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of freshly grated nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we're gonna combine this together. To my 5 eggs, I'm gonna add 1 freshly squeezed lemon, and I'm gonna add the zest. You wanna add the lemon juice and the lemon zest to it because sometimes the egg tends to be a little bit raw in the cake, so that just cut away some of the rawness. In a large bowl, you're gonna add 2 sticks or a cup of butter, 1 cup of sugar. We're using brown sugar. Now we're just gonna cream this together until it's light and fluffy. Now I'm gonna add my soaked pureed fruit. This is 1 cup. I'm gonna add about 3 cups. So the more fruit you add to the cake, the more dense the cake will be. The less fruit you add to the cake will be more lighter. So the choice is all up to you, whichever you like your cake, or however you like your cake. The fruit is nicely combined. Now I'm going to add my vanilla extract. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, ½ teaspoon of almond extract. Smells so good. Now I'm going to add my coloring or browning to it. The browning is very optional. You don't have to add any browning if you don't want to. And the browning is also up to the color of the cake that you like. The more browning you add, the more darker the cake will be. So if you like a lighter cake color, not so black, you can add less. You also want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees and add a water bath to it. A pan with some water or a baking tin with some water inside the oven, 350 degrees. So now we're going to add the flour to the mixture. We're going to fold this in. Now we're gonna go ahead and grease our baking tin. If you wanted 2 cakes, you could use a small baking tin, but I have a large baking tin, so this is only 1 cake. So now we're going to pop this into the oven to bake for at least an hour or an hour and a half, or until you insert a toothpick into it and it come off clean. Straight from out the oven. Now we're going to allow this to cool, but we're going to add some wine and rum mixture to this. You just want to saturate the cake with some of the rum and the wine. So just gonna let this cool. And here you have it, guys. This is how I make my Jamaican fruit cake. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and also leave me a comment down below. Now we're gonna go ahead and do a taste test. So good. Bye guys, thanks for watching.